Boost your vocabulary. The power of context and writing materials. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting method to enhance your GMAT and GRE vocabulary, using context and reading materials. This isn't just about memorizing words. It's about truly understanding them and knowing when to use them. Let's get started. Context clues are hints or background information within sentences or paragraphs that help you infer the meaning of unfamiliar words. They are crucial because 1. You don't always have a dictionary. In real-life situations, especially during exams, you can't pause to look up words. 2. Deepens understanding. Figuring out a word's meaning in context helps cement its definition in your memory. 3. Improves fluency. Over time, deducing meanings from context will become second nature, making reading smoother. Examples. Inference. She was elated when she found out she passed the test. Here, elated likely means very happy or joyful. Definition. A guitar, a stringed musical instrument, was lying in the corner. Here, a guitar is defined directly. Reading extensively is one of the most effective ways to build vocabulary. Here's why. 1. Exposure to new words. The more you read, the more new words you'll come across. The repeated exposure helps in retention. 2. Varied contexts. A word might appear in different situations, giving you a comprehensive understanding. 3. Natural learning. You absorb the structure, style, and vocabulary naturally, rather than through rote learning. Types of reading materials. Newspapers and magazines. Great for current events, opinions, and varied vocabulary. Novels. Dive into different genres. Historical novels, for instance, can introduce archaic terms, while sci-fi might expose you to advanced scientific terminology. Academic journals. Perfect for the GRE, as you'll be exposed to scholarly vocabulary. Business reports and articles. Useful for GMAT takers aiming for a career in business. Here are some strategies to maximize your learning. 1. Active reading. Don't just skim. Dive deep, make notes, underline unfamiliar words. 2. Summarize. After finishing an article or a chapter, summarize it in your own words. 3. Word journal. Maintain a diary where you jot down new words, their meanings, and sentences. 4. Use the words. Incorporate new vocabulary in your conversations or writings. Building vocabulary isn't just about cramming words the night before an exam. It's a journey of understanding, exploration, and continuous learning. With context clues and diverse reading materials, you'll not only be preparing for the GMAT or GRE but also enriching your language skills for life. Happy reading and learning!